Lengke kungkam sang tari ni pyo gyalo ni tong gyada shibju shepke rapne chaklang le pende tangbo chuda be tseba dun tang chilu ni tong ni sajik le daw ni be tseba chobke resa pubu ni ki sengkyu lerim te kunzo shugu ye lerim di na kyana shunki dungdek narche wola pimi kuncho jimbala de tong su gyurwe kortang jinor konse kemkun chumbu choki ari pyo kanso chode khane pyo ki chwe tang rikshung geji ten kodo be gyur pendo gyache tuyo kor ka tsebe kor Yanchidur konskem go chum choki tato gu yagar ki nyento mina namla kalop zevekor nido nishulu pötün siju tan gyabgyor ki tim tembeb nangwe kadun zego tato gu sobe kortang bende töden kalun choki shungde chobeb legduk chungwe korche shukuyi lerim gyabaka shamla rimbezigrona Chilu nidong choksom le dawa chukjikbe tseba geni pyo dokam nakshu diruzong chakzi shang chongsuk ngawa ne yinbe kuncho jimba laki sangwa chida chebe nyeming wo gyana shunki nyendo be kong zinsung cheshing longo nishu tsajik ringla timda jeba mase zyonkang to dungdek narchu tsele gewa tangwe genki nejong to gyurne nyetu dawdi chize chuk nyingla derong su gyurdu Tenyang kuncho jimbala nidong choksum le chinda chukjikbe tseba genyi zinsung cheba ne sungde tabar kongki korla shibte ne su shedo chung meba tang dawa ngama chinda tangbe tseba ni sargu ni kongki nangmi se shine kuncho la ki twede ne tang zara yinba shedo chungje nangmi pinche kachik menkang to kongla ta jimba songyo kyam gyana shungge tukte chechung meba tang nyedu dawdi chize chuk resa pembe ni menkang ter de chong su gyurdu Kongki keja tamate nidong choksum le chindu shive na chungwa tang kapter kongki gyana shungne kong gyogwa zinsung cheten ke dugbe zinsung tang yana seba chungyang tagyu tang gyowa kangyang meche sung tu pimi dikzu ki penden sikyong losang senge choki hajang lopam tangta tuksu na yubar re tetan chabji sikyong choki geji tsokwa tang nyamte gyaso ki dromi top tang lenkang ne gyana shunki pyo na duksub narju ki siju nyeba tang timge ki lakdar ka peshimba teta tokship nemo nanggobe bugushu du jir kunjo jibalani chungdu ne taba cheshing chilujik donggu kya geju kya gulor peyu gyu ne kyagardo george deradun changjuk ling chogardo lomye nawata jikdong gubgya gubju khojing ne gubju khodu pardo sujo pyekim lobdata teje waranasi tholobdu lomye na yobar re khoni inchi ta hindi kyake chela rangya pherwa yobata 직동 국가 급주 kopke zamla chir pyola lone pyona neshenbe lega cheyo baredo Yanchinor konse kemgön chumba choki ari pyokanke lokor penjor dugu tudun ting sobshibe tola mixe sunti ship senado Tenyang ari pyokani chul 직동 국가 keju kyab dun lor sanzuk nangwa yinshin migu zobote pyoki tumo mayinbe chöta rikshung yugum shilu teta ge zengwo ne rangyu to zala dronyen chebe nyentang ke tukabder Rikshung chubu teta minyam gyunzin tuble Tonker New York to ari pyogan sheba sanzu nangwa tang kapter chokwa sanzu nangken zobu chigne ariwa lobe kushib Bob Thurman la yinbar re terden kwans kemgo chumbu choki zenawe sungti nangtu chok chigne pyobatso rangyu ne zenjo la kyalgo chungwar simkyowe netanshi inanya chok shenshing ne pyoki tumo mayinbe rikshung giji tengla shamdun chagyu kokab sawashik toba reje katseshing Tukabter kusha Bob Thurman choki pyoki nangba sangkebe chöta rikshung la tunang chimba nangde geji tengla pyoki rikshung kodo kangtu bede minyam gyune tubgyur tuku gyashi she nangwar ngaju gyashi ze nangso.
The Tibet house in New York, very, very useful. So Bob Thurman and your wife, you see, you really work I think, very meaningful way. So, firstly, I want to thank Bob Thurman. Then, and those people who helping Thurman. So these, I think, gradually will be a sort of informer to new area or west. So therefore, I really appreciate Bob Thurman. I personally, my long time my friend.
Yang khasa salhakbe ni jinor konskem gwe chom choki gyagar nyento pe geze suende shuden tar nyento pe lengen nang shenki dungye la semkur ta chamze shebe jushi tola kalup zena yubarje tenyang kalup unzu ki thongmar konskem gwe chom choki kangni tabar kuzir riwor nyento pa ta lentu shib yobata thongmar pe na lok guiring gemi nyento pa ta Teje zenjo la pebane sungde gyaga ki nyendo pe sungyo bo la shugmu yimbata cho nige tone konsu choki kucher sungyo nange yoyang gyana marsho ki nyendo ba chola lenge ni tuke yoba tabu yobe chigni konsu kemgun chumbu chola kusung ki lenge chigita nibate konsu chola sonyu chigyu lenge drubye gyagar pakbe yu ki nyendo ba chena laksam namda ki kusung shabshu drubdan drumi yimbate Gyagar nyento pa ta jeme chungka tula ngangta ri yongki mekor katse yobarje.
Since 59 and 60, with Indian police, with Indian police.
Can you go to the other room, other place?
I notice, you see, both taking care or protect me. But differences, Chinese police, of course, Chinese communist, you see, their police, it seems to see two responsibility. One, taking care me, protect me. One, also you see, watching me. Then the Indian police, very sincere. Very sincere.
Chosung konsa kemkön chumbu choki zamning nangki chulu cheka changma gyagar na chumtiyu nga neshin yobama se gyagar na ke ta yige dami yonanya gyagar ki kub chiyong mangzui lamlu wo tunji nga negi yo tenyang tseme shuba ta chamning je nyamnen yobe tone chumtiyu ta tunji nga ne tuki yobar ten gyagar ni zamning ki gekub shen la mikwe sangpo shik chun tuk che kase shing nyentokwa namne gekub sungkyop she sedu tansam sungkyop zam mimbar sosu nawi rikshung teda sungkyop che gu gyute hajangki keshimbo yinba kase yubarje.
India, as I mentioned earlier, one of the biggest democratic country, now protect this country. Not just its border or these things, but protect 1,000-year-old India's tradition. Very important. These Karuna, Ahimsa, you see, these Indian tradition, actually world need.
Ari Massachusetts sane pyorik jitin chokbe kutikwo deyu mina cheka tato yunel henzom to chilu nidong nishu le pyodyun siju tang gyabgyor ki tim tembeb nangwe katun zego shik chona do Dikor shamla ten situp lagi ngoto nangiyo.
Kanyi resa mingmanyin Massachusetts sane pyo rijidun tsobe koti wo, ari tezo gome tumik kushab jimme gavun cho ta, ari tezo gome tumik kushab Marco Rubio cho namnyi la che do ta, nido nishu le pyo dun si ju dan gyabgyor ki tim tembeb nang tobe kadun ki zego shi, chagya yu sungzi shu yubare. Ledim tedo pimidik ki pande si gyong bunramba losan singe cho ta, ari tezo gome tumik kushab Marco Rubio cho ki chisi lopdun pa chamku Bethany Paulus cho, Gyana ledun sojong ki legi nemo wa kushab Jonathan Stivers la, chang ari kuzab tunju ngurup tsiring la, tida tungje surba shaling datun la, tang nashin geji pedun legu khaan ki genzin letsab pujung tsiring la, pyo rangze lupru tsobe genzi, jitu doje tseten la, tang nashin Amerika saygyu ki pyo rijidun tsoba kaa ki tsozo tang, Massachusetts sane pyo rijidun tsobe tsozo so nyamshu na yubre. Kaptir pande sikyong cho ki ari tezok tumi kushab jimme gavun cho ta kushab Marco Rubio cho namnyi ne chosem tempe pedon le gyabgyor na war tukje che shu na yubre. Ta na shi pande sikyong cho ne jino khos kyamgyon chembu cho la ari pedon siju dan gyabgyor ki tim tempe chungwe ne ju ngen sen shu kap khos kyamgyon chembu cho ki yakbu shera chung sha che kalop je yokor ngodo na.
So it's I think Congressman Jim McGovern played instrumental role in passing this bill. So I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I've told you in person, but all the way from Dharamsala, on behalf of Central Tibet Administration and the Tibetan people inside Tibet, thank you. Thank you very much. So it's, we are, doing this, doing, Tibetan Losar. So it's a new year, and also a new chapter in the history of Tibet. I think this bill is a landmark bill. I think when I came to exile, actually, there was a voluntary reception at the airport, given the magnitude and the significance of the bill, but then my flight got cancelled, so I never got the public welcome. But the Indian group, Indo-Tibetan Friendship Association, they talked among themselves and wanted to facilitate US government and US Congress for passing this bill. So it generated that kind of enthusiasm and that kind of appreciation from both Tibetans in exile and Indian population as well. So when I went to Delhi, also many people in Delhi were very, very appreciative. And also I had the privilege of having an audience and informing His Holiness Dalai Lama, and he said, "Yakpo shida chungsha." That means not only it's good, it's very good.
Labordu lerim tedo, Pedun Siju te Temple Tubur, Tugur Gaje Shenanke, Pedun Gabgurwa, Ari Tozo Wome, Tumi Kushab Jim Megavon Choki, Pedun Siju dan Gabgur, Tim Temple Nang Tubani, Tude Sambushila Nunzin Namadante, Timi te Tuden Kejeka, Techu Nangshi, Kushab Kongi, Ari Sinzin Salpa, Kushab Joe Biden Choki, Zingyong Wo, Pedun Siju dan Gabgur, Tim Tang, Tanashi Pena Pato Tsuonki, Top Down Janyam Gobe, Timi Teta, Nusu Ladar Yongwar, Rangine, Narla Shune Gugu, Tamja Tempo Yobayang Suna.
The Chinese government is engaged in a systematic effort to eliminate the distinct religious, linguistic, and cultural identity of the Tibetan people. Now that Congress has passed both the Tibetan Policy and Support Act and the Reciprocal Access to Tibet Act, it is our responsibility to ensure that the Biden administration effectively implements these bills. We expect that a high-level State Department Special Coordinator for Tibetan issues will soon be named, and that's a welcome development.
Ledim ki judo kushab Jim Megavon Chota, kushab Marco Rubio Cho, Namni la Chedo ki Sengda Yang Puna Yobre.
And take the honor of presenting a citation of certificates of appreciation to Congressman James P. McGowan. Similarly, a certificate of appreciation to Senator Marco Rubio.
Pimi tikzuki treten kalun chekyong wanchu choki gyaga chanjo Himachal ngakong pimi sane kaji la shungte chobe nangwate legwa tubna do. Tenya treten kalun cho daudi chize chupshine judu par pondo tashi lingta kulu manali tagananshin chobe makuidu tenshi chebe pimi dune kala shungte samsik na yobarze. Kapter sane treten menkang kagi lene namla yang treten tateve lamten sungshana do. 다른 게 선교 레림 딜라 슈섬샤가기 레림 제메나 갸투제죠.